listen to others, and be open to advice. You see what happened there? Naaman was at the door, and he was about to turn away from his miracle. But it was his servants who told him. The servant said to him, "Sir, do it. If this prophet would have asked you to do something big, you would have done it. So just do it." I am here to let somebody here know this morning, you trusting to hear from God. I am here to let you know. Don't just surround yourself with people who make you feel good. That's mos lekker. When they tell you, "Oh, you're looking good, girl." They tell you, "Oh, you're the best. You're the girl. You're the man." Stop surrounding you with people who tell you what you want to know and what you want to hear. Stop surrounding you with people that make you feel good. Start surrounding you with people that make you feel God. They will say to you the right thing that you need to hear in a loving way. Not to make you feel good, but make you feel God in your circumstances. Amen.